First impressions on the Voge Rally. First impressions, it's a really nice and light bike. I really like it. It's easy to ride. I think the engine is better than on the other one. It's a 300cc, just a fun bike. I think it will be really good in traffic and on road, off-road, both. Nice. It is vibrating a bit, but yeah, it's a one cylinder, so that makes sense. It's really easy to maneuver. I like the fact that you have a gear indicator. There's a fine, wind detection is okay. Yeah, liking it until now. So this is the second Vogue I've ridden, and it feels better than the previous one. It's just a nice bike overall. Let's see how it performs. Oh, a little off-road test. Standing up is much better on this bike than, for example, the Royal Enfield Himalayan. It's also better than the Vogue 500 DSX. It's a pretty good position to stand up and ride a little bit of off-road. Yeah, liking it so far. Wonder what it costs. I think not that much, around 5,000–6,000 euros. Really liking the color scheme on this bike, the yellow and the grey and the bronze engine. Liking the fact that it's light, it's pretty low. The suspension is okay for what it's worth. I think this is a really easy beginner off-road bike, which you can also do more technical stuff because of the weight. I think it doesn't weigh more than 150 kilos or something, but you need to remember it's 300cc, it's a single cylinder engine, so let's do a little walk around. So the Vogue Rally 300 single cylinder, let's check what the specs are. Oh, it's around 5,500 euros, which is pretty good. It has 19 kilowatts of power and 25 newton meters of torque. It has a seat height of 915 millimeters and it's 160 kilo dry weight. You can get a 2-year factory warranty, but you can extend it to a 5-year factory warranty. It has an upside down front fork, single disc up front, single disc at the rear. Just a really complete bike for the money. Let's ride it some more. Oh, it's got an ABS switch, which is really nice. Yeah, overall, final conclusions, a really nice bike for the money. I would definitely consider to review this bike some more. I want to take it for a whole day, maybe doing a little bit more of off-road riding, but that's on another day. If you like this video, please leave a like, and if you want to see a full review of this bike, please leave a comment and consider to subscribe. Big thanks to Axel's Bike Shop for this opportunity. Let's go to Axel's Bike Shop and check it out. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching. Bye.